Good morning, class. I'm going to try this video thing again. I'm getting better at it. So let's start. So today we're going to do the soda can lab. This is the title of our lab. So make sure you guys write this down near the title. The materials needed for our lab are tongs, matches, a graduated cylinder, soda can, and a Bunsen burner. We are also going to need a tub full of water. Now the first step we're going to do is take our graduated cylinder and add about 5 milliliters of water to the soda can. Boop, boop. Once we have the water in our soda can, we're going to take the tongs and grip the top of the can. We're going to be heating up the can, so at this point we can turn on the Bunsen burner. And we don't want to burn the can itself, we want the water to get warm, so we have to swirl it around. Once that happens, the water inside should start to boil, and you'll see steam coming out of the top. At this point, the water in our can is boiling, so where this is coming up, and we're going to take it over to our water tank. We are then going to quickly flip the can over and dunk it into the water. This is your hypothesis, so what do you guys think will happen once this is dipped in the water? So take this time to write it down. Now remember, hypotheses have if and then statements. So if we take the water can and boil the water inside it, then flip it over and dunk it into the water, then what happens? This is your guess. In this short presentation, we covered a couple things already. So we already covered the title of the lab report, we already covered the hypothesis, we already covered the materials, we already covered the procedures. The only thing that are left are the data observation and the conclusion. In a second, I'm going to release you. Make sure you take your piece of paper and write down your observation, and we'll work on the conclusion together toward the end of class. Have a fun time in lab, and hopefully you learn something.